Hi everyone, Joseph Kursky here. Let's talk about the following. Geography, GIS, Geographic Information Systems, data, education, space, and place. Let's talk about all those things. Hey folks, the Spatial Reserves data blog is what I'd like to discuss here. The Spatial Reserves data blog. The blog is all about several things. Where can I find spatial data? How can I know if that data is any good? And third, what are the societal and ethical implications of using spatial data in a GIS? If you have ever asked these questions, then I, Joseph, would like to tell you about this Spatial Reserves data blog. The blog arose from a book that Jill Clark and I wrote entitled The GIS Guide to Public Domain Data. It was written to provide GIS practitioners and instructors with the essential skills to find, acquire, format, and analyze public domain spatial data. Given the rapidly evolving set of tools that geotechnology is and the relevance of the issues, we started the blog to keep the conversation going. There were and are some data blogs out there, but some were created by grad students who have since gone on with their lives and careers, are limited in scope, and/or they're no longer online. We sought to create a long-standing, curated, and professional resource for the community. We're proud of what we've done, but we seek your input at keeping it useful for you going forward. Some of the themes discussed in the book and the blog include open data access and spatial law, the importance of metadata. I know that sounds dry, but it's very relevant to our society. The fee versus free data debate, data and national security, the efficacy of spatial data infrastructures, the impact of cloud computing, and the emergence of the GIS as a service or GaaS business model. Recent technological innovations have radically altered how both data users and data providers work with spatial information to help address a diverse range of social, economic, and environmental issues. Again, the Spatial Reserves data blog was established to follow up on some of these themes, promote a current discussion of the issues raised, and host a copy of the exercises that accompany the book. A story map provides a brief description of the 10 exercises. The exercises cover themes from natural hazards to business to agriculture, and scales from local to regional to global. The exercises use ArcGIS Pro and also ArcGIS Online from Esri as their basis. Each biweekly essay is short, relevant, and is designed to make you really think about these issues and why they matter, and provide practical guidance. We're very practically oriented in this blog. Recent entries in the blog include a review of the book Stat Spotting, about being critical of data, strategies for finding geospatial data, a helpful metadata analogy, a review of the WaterPoint Data Exchange, how to bring in E00 data into a GIS, and a review of the GIS Case Studies ethics site. We encourage you to subscribe to and make use of the Spatial Reserves data blog in your conversations with coworkers, in your instruction, and your own professional GIS work. Thanks, and map on!